Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aditya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Utkarsh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
beta.
yesterday till
morning, ma'am.
atmosphere
Good morning.
we have done from biosphere we have to start.
Yes, beta. What did you say? I didn't. I could not understand.
And which chapter we are doing?
We are doing geography, our environment, and the second last topic we have to discuss today.
Ma'am, biosphere.
Okay.
And from biosphere we have to
Ecosystem. We
start.
have to start with ecosystem, beta. We have to start with the ecosystem, right? We had a combined class, no, the other day with all the 3 sections together.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sahil. Can we have the cameras on for you all, please? Cameras on, children. Athar, Sushant, Daksh, open your cameras, beta.
And my camera is open.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, today.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have made in this copy of ma'am
Okay, you have
geography.
very good. Show me.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
ma'am 2 page.
geography copy is like one side blank.
One side plain, one side rule. And we don't say copy, we say notebook, okay? What do we say?
Notebook.
And notebook.
Yes, we say notebooks, okay? Fine. You know what is an ecosystem?
Ecosystem. Can I tell, ma'am?
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, an ecosystem is a distinct zone in the biosphere that has its own physical and biological environment.
Okay. Come again. Can you come again?
Mommy,
What is ecosystem?
Ma'am, an ecosystem is a zone in biosphere which has its own physical and biological
Environment. Okay. Now, when we say ecosystem, can you see the board, all of you? Can you see the board, all of you? Listen, suppose this is see, they say that ecosystem is a distinct zone of biosphere where the biological and the physical components that are there, they are continuously in interaction with each other and they form their ecosystem. Now, like for example, if I tell you forest, how forest has its ecosystem? See, we have large trees, then we have the shrubs, right? Right? We have the rocks or, big,
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
the rocks are there. Rocks are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then We have animals also. See the land. This is the land. These are the trees. These are the grasses. Then the rocks. Fine. We have animals also. Now these animals, they comprise of everything from the smallest of the microorganisms to the largest of the elephants that are there in the forest area. Right? This is clear. So a continuous interaction between these forms the ecosystem of the forest region. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, they also say that the ecosystem can be as large as an ocean, as large and as small as a pond. They say it can be as large as an ocean and as small as a pond. Pond आपने देखा ना, बहुत छोटा सा water body होता है pond, है ना? And ocean बहुत large water body होता है. Oceans में हमें क्या क्या मिलते हैं? बड़े बड़े animals, reptiles होते हैं ना, बड़े बड़े डॉल्फिन्स, शार्क, वेल्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
भी होती हैं उसमें. एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स भी होते हैं उसके अंदर. एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स भी होते हैं. यस साहिल.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we will do question answer?
Hey beta, please first you understand the chapter. No question answers you can do on your own also. Why your concentration is more on question answers? Huh? You are not interested in understanding the chapter, Sahil?
Ma'am, I have done the short
Ma'am,
answer.
can I switch off my video as here is network problem?
ठीक है बेटा, कर लो. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आया बेटा आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Ecosystem. Ecosystem का मतलब होता है all the physical and the biological components that are there, and when they are continuously in interaction with each other, in that case we say it is a ecosystem. Ecosystem एक classroom का भी हो सकता है ना, जहाँ पे एक classroom का ecosystem हो सकता है क्या? नहीं हो सकता.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि क्लासरूम में बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स क्या हैं? वी एज द स्टूडेंट, आई एज अ टीचर, यू एज अ स्टूडेंट, एंड ये जो हमारे टेबल चेयर्स हैं, ये क्या हो गए? ये फिजिकल कंपोनेंट हो गए ना, हो गए ना. पर क्योंकि हमारा इंटरेक्शन कुछ इस तरीके का नहीं है, ये जो क्लास में है वही सब हमारा पार्ट है, तो हम बेसिकली इकोसिस्टम में हम ओशन को, फॉरेस्ट को, पॉन्ड को कंसिडर करते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो. दिस मच इज क्लियर एंड
Okay,
अंडरस्टूड.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ecosystem is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in this ecosystem, the animals that are there, they release carbon dioxide. It is taken by the trees for their survival, and then in return the trees give out oxygen. Oxygen is taken by the animals, so it is a continuous give and take process. Continuous give and take process where continuously they are in transferring energy to one another. Right? Clear class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Now moving on to the human environment. But when we say human environment, we are talking about everything that is made by the humans. Jesse, I am not drawing here, but I am writing in the boxes, right? Like humans, they are at the center, right? Then they make houses, they have offices, they have industries, they have agricultural fields, bridges, societies, then they have roads, schools, colleges, malls, shopping complexes, ठीक है, then the communities, कह रहा है कि जो हमारा ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट है, ये ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट बहुत सारी चीजों को कंप्राइज करता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो है, हम लोग अकेले तो नहीं रह सकते हैं ना, कैन वी आर कॉल्ड एज सोशल एनिमल्स, नो, हमें
Yes,
सामाजिक
ma'am.
प्राणी कहा जाता है ना, सोशल एनिमल्स कहा जाता है ना, तो हम सोशल, हाँ, तो हमें इन सब चीजों की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है टू लिव, ठीक है, तो ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट बेसिकली कंप्राइजेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग which is required by a human to survive, ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is what you have in the human environment. वो सिंपल ये बता रहा है कि किस तरीके से जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, उन्होंने अपने फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट को, चाहे वो लिथोस्फेयर हो, चाहे वो आपका एटमॉस्फेयर हो, किस तरीके से उसमें चेंजेस लेके आए हैं, ठीक है, स्पेशली लिथोस्फेयर की जब हम बात करते हैं, द लैंड इन विच वी आर लिविंग, उस लिथोस्फेयर पे हमने बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस लेके आए हैं हम, बाय कंस्ट्रक्टिंग, by cutting down the forest cover, by making, you know, residences, by bringing up, by building factories, by building the infrastructure that we have for the industries, for the big companies that we have, the schools, the colleges, the communities, the societies, the colonies, everything that we have is the part of the human environment. I hope it is all clear and understood to you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is what you have in these two topics. So quickly we will read this and then we'll jump to Sahil's favorite part, that is question answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, exercises.
Can we have Divyanshi reading for me? Ecosystem. Divyanshi, you continue reading, okay,
Okay,
beta? Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Anji,
Yes, ma'am. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a distinct zone in the biosphere that has its own physical and biological environment. It may be as large as ocean or a forest or as small as a pond or a field. Each ecosystem is formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical environment in which they live. The abiotic and biotic components of an ecosystem are linked to each other by the transfer of energy and matter. In every ecosystem, there is a perfect balance of equilibrium in the transfer of energy and matter among the different components. This is known as ecological balance.
Ma'am, when will we do 50, 70 questions?
Ma'am, read ecosystem.
Yes, Divyanshi done? Divyanshi, you have read?
Ma'am, she has read
Yes,
ecosystem.
ma'am.
Environment is left.
Okay, human environment also. Utkarsh, will you read?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Human beings are an important part of the biosphere. In fact, humans are the only living organism who have consciously alerted the environment, altered the environment to suit their needs. Early humans lived in the natural environment and adapted themselves according to their surroundings. With the passage of time, the requirement of the human beings increased, and in the order to fulfill their needs, humans have modified their natural environment through various activities without releasing its adverse effect. Farming, grazing, mining, lumbering, industry, transport, and construction are some human activities that have affected our natural environment. This has this has resulted in the disruption
Disruption.
of the ecological balance, degradation
Mhm.
of the environment has been brought about primarily by human interference.
Interfe-
Therefore, we need to
interference.
be interference. Therefore, we need to be sensitive and aware of the various environmental problems and take care not to destroy our environment any further.
Hmm. Anything not understood in this, but these two paragraphs?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of disruption?
बेटा डिसरप्शन डिस्टरप्ट करना का मतलब क्या होता है टू इंटरप्ट डिसरप्शन का मतलब होता है टू इंटरप्ट ठीक है हाँ मतलब यहाँ पे डिसरप्शन का मतलब होगा इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस जो है उसको वो खराब करते हैं बाय बाय वेरियस एक्टिविटीज लाइक फार्मिंग ग्रेजिंग माइनिंग लंबरिंग ठीक है राइट
Okay, ma'am.
चलो एनीथिंग नॉट अंडरस्टूड क्लास ऑल क्लियर एंड अंडरस्टूड टू ऑल ऑफ यू fine
Yes, ma'am. All clear.
so we
Yes, ma'am.
now we have Sahil will answer the exercises first question. Sahil, are you there?
Ma'am, question, answer, or
Can
filling
I
the
tell?
Exercises. Choose the correct answers.
Can I tell?
No, Sahil is doing no.
Ma'am, the physical environment rises of
Ma'am,
ecological.
can I tell this answer?
Arey, let him give beta.
Ma'am, the physical environment comprises of ecological components.
Ma'am, can I tell the correct answer?
Yes, Sahil.
Ma'am, can I tell this answer?
Ma'am, the answer is abiotic.
Yes, ma'am, this answer is abiotic.
Yes, answer is abiotic. Very good. Next, Sahil, second one.
अरे मुझे भी कोई चांस दे दो ना मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर मैम कैन आई टेल द ऑल द शॉर्ट आंसर्स
No. Wait, one by one. Okay, first is option B, abiotic. Right? Second, Daksh. Daksh, read and tell beta, quick.
29% of the lithosphere is occupied by land.
Okay, option C, land. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the third one?
Okay, Daksh. Nahi, Yash Srivastav, yes.
Ma'am, the answer is ozone.
Read the whole statement, beta.
Ozone protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun.
Very good. Very good. Divyanshi, fourth one.
Oh,
Ma'am, can I tell all the short answers?
Beta, wait. Yes, Divyanshi.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell fourth one?
Ma'am, can I tell fourth one?
Abhishek. चलो दक्ष बताओ बेटा.
yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash all energy for life comes from the sun.
Yes. All energy for life comes from the sun. Option D. Very good. Next. State true or false. Yash Srivastav, first one.
Biological environment comprises of living organism. Ma'am, true.
It is true.
Yes, ma'am.
It is true. Next. Athar Saxena, will you answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, Daksh.
The great variety of life on Earth is called biosphere, false biodiversity.
Okay, biodiversity. You need to underline biosphere. And correct it. Right?
Third
Biodiversity.
one.
And it is false. Sorry. False. Then underline biosphere and write biodiversity. Right, children? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Third one, Daksh.
ma'am, may I tell the next
Get
answer?
their food directly or indirectly from plants, false. Ma'am, we have to cut indirectly.
Nahi, beta, it is correct. Third one is a true statement.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, true.
Yes,
And
ma'am,
third
it's
one
Ma'am,
is
the
true.
statement is
Yes, ma'am.
It is true, beta.
Ma'am, fourth, can I tell?
Ma'am, fourth one, can I tell?
ma'am, may I tell
Ma'am,
the next
fourth
one?
one, can I tell?
Ma'am, fourth may I?
There is given in
Yes,
MCQs.
Yes, fourth.
Ma'am, fourth may
Fourth
I?
answer?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
tell?
can I tell the fourth
No, no,
answer?
Divyanshi will tell. Divyanshi will tell. Divyanshi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the fourth is hydrogen gas protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ma'am, it's false, and we have to cut hydrogen, and we have to hydrogen gas, and we have to write there
Ozone gas.
ozone layer.
Very good. It is false. You will underline hydrogen and you will write ozone.
Ma'am, short answers, can I tell?
Okay, Daksh.
First one I, ma'am. First one I.
Okay, first one.
Ma'am, I have to tell it's my favorite.
First one, Sahil. First one, Sahil.
Ma'am, his name is not Sahil. Ibat.
What
What
do you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is his name? What is his name?
Environment means surroundings.
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Divyanshi.
his name is.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, could you
Ma'am,
please
can I
tell?
tell?
Ma'am, could you please tell true and false second answer?
Second, it is written on the board over there, no? False biodiversity. False biodiversity.
Okay,
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell the first answer?
What do
I'll
you
answer.
term environment?
First answer.
Ma'am, please I.
The surroundings.
Ma'am, may I tell?
मुझे बताओ, please tell.
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, the term means the surrounding.
And ma'am, this answer is on page number 9.
Then 99. Read.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, ma'am, I can tell the right answer.
Ma'am, it is the right answer.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it
can
is
I
on
tell?
99.
May I
We get
tell?
first point.
Ma'am, may I tell?
The
Ma'am,
environment
may
means
I?
surroundings.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yash, wait. Yash, you tell, bacha. You tell.
The term environment is derived from a French word environner, which means neighborhood.
Ma'am, but the
Yes,
correct
ma'am. It
the term environment means
You will write any Daksh, camera on karo, bachche, Daksh. Okay. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
you know this answer, first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you tell this answer?
Ma'am, answer is the term environment is derived from the French word environner, which means neighborhood. Therefore, environment means the surrounding or condition within which any living organism exists.
Ma'am, it is very long.
No, it has to be
Ma'am,
like this
can I
only. It has to
No,
be
ma'am,
this
it's
only,
too
beta,
long.
20 words.
Ma'am, in which page number it is written?
Page 96.
96.
Page 96, first paragraph, first line till fourth
Ma'am,
line.
the term
Till fourth line.
environment is
Till fourth line. First 4 lines still exists. First 4 lines.
ma'am in where?
Beta, first.
Can I tell second answer?
Daksh, can you be little patient? First answer is not over and you are eager to answer the second question. Do not disturb the class like this, please, bacha. Have certain patience level with you. Yes, first answer is page 96, left hand side, first paragraph, first, second, third, fourth. No, up till fifth line. All the first 5 lines still exists. All have underlined?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
have underlined, no?
Ma'am, from the term
Yes, ma'am.
environment.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. From the term environment till organism exists.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, till there. Till
Can I
there.
Ma'am, please.
tell the second one?
Very good. Now coming to the second question.
Okay.
I hope first everyone has marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
On page
Now,
number
what are
96.
the constituents of the hydrosphere? What
Can
are
I tell?
the constituents of hydrosphere?
Can I?
Daksh, tell now.
Okay. The hydrosphere.
And
is
what are
domain
the
of water,
constitute?
all
Beta,
the
you
water
need to.
bodies such as-
Beta, you need to tell the page number from where you are reading, Daksh.
Okay, ma'am. The
Right.
page number 97 on hydrosphere.
Right hand side or left hand side? Right hand side or left hand side?
Ma'am, right hand side.
Yes, very good. Read out.
The hydrosphere is the domain of water. All the water bodies such as the ocean, seas, rivers, and lakes together make up the hydrosphere.
Very good. The hydrosphere is the domain of water. All the water bodies such as the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes together make up the hydrosphere. Up till here, all have marked?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Mark.
Ma'am, we have to draw
Yes,
any
ma'am.
Fine. Then coming to
Ma'am,
the
see.
question. Coming to the third question. What is the significance of the biosphere? Who will answer this question? What is the significance of biosphere?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
Ishu Gautam. Yes, beta, tell. Ishu?
Ma'am, it is on page number 90.
98, very good. It is on page number 98.
Ma'am, it is page number on 98, right hand side on biosphere. The narrow zone where land, water, and air come into contact with each other is called the biosphere.
Beta, you have to tell the significance of biosphere, the importance of biosphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you tell issue?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Sushant Khare, Sushant Khare.
Ma'am, can I try?
Sushant.
Biosphere. Ma'am, I am reading from page number 98 on the right hand side. Importance of biosphere.
Very good. Beta.
Biosphere provides the earth with life as it is the only domain where living being exists.
Yes, this is the answer to this question. All have underlined?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please tell once again.
मैम जितने भी मैंने मार्क करे आंसर वो सारे करेक्ट हैं.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Okay, can anybody repeat for me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Please. Okay.
Ma'am, it is given on page number 98 on right hand side, biosphere, the narrow zone where land, water and air comes into contact with each other is called biosphere. Biosphere provides the earth with life as it is the only domain where living being exists.
Okay.
Ma'am,
You have to write
is
only importance. Only importance you need to write, Daksh. No need to write the definition of biosphere. Okay. Yes, Divyanshi, can
Ma'am,
you?
can I tell the answer? For
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is biosphere provides the earth with life as it is the only domain where life being exists.
Ma'am, till there is the answer only 3 lines.
Yes. Only this much is the answer. Fine. Fine.
ma'am, answer 4, can I?
Next question. What do you understand by environment?
Human beings are an important part of the biosphere. In fact, humans are the only living organism who
No,
have
not this one. Not
consciously.
this one. Yes, not this one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, ma'am.
Sushant, do you know? Okay, Ishu will tell. Right, Ishu, tell beta.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, 99 page.
Page number
Ma'am,
90.
19.
Page
Ma'am,
number
I know. Ma'am, can I tell?
Page
Can I
number
tell?
96.
Page number 96.
Yes.
Ma'am, page number 96, left hand side, human environment. Ma'am, the human environment is formed by human beings, their creations, their activities, and the social, economic, political, and other condition in which they live.
Yes, ma'am, till here much is the answer.
All have marked up till here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done short
Yes,
answers.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
So,
good. Very good.
long
Coming to the
answers.
next question.
Ma'am, now the time is over, I think.
Do we have any Siddharth
Please
Pratap
send
in
the
the
fourth answer.
Beta, do we have any Siddharth Pratap in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
It's in our section.
Late. What to do? I will not take him in.
Ma'am, can I tell answer?
Yes, Anshika, tell.
Can I tell answer one of D part 57?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, answer 90. Ma'am, is number 96, left hand side. Human environment is formed by human beings, their creativity, their activities, and the social, economics, political, and other conditions which they live.
This is
Ma'am,
answer.
can I tell answer one?
Beta, D part. D part answer 1. D part question number 1.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the physical. Ma'am, it is given on page number 96, right hand side, interaction between physical and biological environment. The physical and biological environment are interrelated. There is a constant interaction between the two in the form of transfer of energy and matter. The
Which
biotic
page
and abiotic elements of the environment go through in a number of changes.
96 page number.
And one is bound to affect the other.
Very good. See question number 1, comparison of physical and biological environment. Page number 96, biological environment is given. Whole thing you will write. Then
Ma'am, can you tell it again?
Ma'am, physical environment.
and physical environment, whole thing. I am telling you from where to where, okay? Physical environment comprises of the non-living or abiotic components like land, water, and air. It is also known as the habitat of an organism. Full stop, answer complete. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
again. Can you tell one more time?
Hanji, page 96. Page 96. Second paragraph. Second line.
Ma'am, can I repeat the answer?
Second line, physical environment. Got it? Line? Got the line? Got the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till
Yes, ma'am, in the
till
natural environment.
organism. Till organism. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then biological environment. Biological environment. Till microbial organisms. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. And marked.
First answer, over of D part.
Ma'am, can I tell second answer?
Ma'am, can I tell second
Ma'am,
answer?
can I tell
Okay,
second
Hamad.
answer?
Hamad batao beta. Hamad batao. Second answer.
Ma'am, page 97, right hand side, paragraph of
Importance.
lithosphere importance.
Very good. Importance. Right hand side, 97 page number. Whole paragraph into 3 points. Whole paragraph into 3 points. Yes, Hamad?
What?
Lithosphere
Okay,
provide us with the land which can be put to a variety of uses. Soil that is used for agriculture is a part of lithosphere.
Very good.
The variety of rocks and mineral make up the lithosphere are also useful to us.
Very good. This whole paragraph into 3 points I said. Okay, 3
Ma'am,
points.
can I tell this whole paragraph into 3 points?
No. All have written? All have marked?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And we have to frame it.
Ma'am, I can't find
Ma'am,
answer.
point
And we have to
is-
frame this paragraph into 3
Page
lines.
97 lithosphere.
Ma'am, I can't find.
point is that
I am telling you, no, page 97, right hand side, second paragraph, importance where it is written of lithosphere.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done? Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, full paragraph.
This whole paragraph into 3 points, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, understand.
understand the points till 3 points. I think.
Beta, we say understood.
Ma'am, can I tell third answer? Ma'am, please, can I tell?
Less time, hardly, not more than, some seconds.